to experience the Big Bang, the moment a tiny speck packed with energy suddenly expanded, giving birth to space and camera. Make a fist. Open your hand. Just a billionth of a second has passed and it's blisteringly hot, around 10 million billion degrees. The energy of the Big Bang has transformed into a thick soup of quarks, electrons, neutrinos, and photons. Quarks and electrons are the tiniest known building blocks of everything in our universe, including you. Within a millionth of a second, as the universe cools, the quarks start to combine. Let's see how different quarks combine to form a proton and a neutron. Tap the screen. We're now a few seconds in. Over the next 15 minutes, protons and neutrons fuse to make the first nuclei, the stuff at the center of an atom, and the universe continues to cool and expand. Space is now filled with a fiery plasma of protons, helium nuclei, and electrons. It takes 380,000 years for this thick fog to cool enough for the electrons to combine with the nuclei, creating hydrogen and helium atoms. These make up practically all the visible matter in our universe today. Let's see a hydrogen and helium atom form. Tap your screen. As atoms form and the fog clears, for the first time light can travel over large distances and the universe becomes transparent. You're looking at the light from this era, and it can still be seen today. Scientists call it the cosmic microwave background. Over 200 million years, gravity pulls the hydrogen and helium into thick clouds. The clouds become so dense that nuclear reactions flare up, making the first stars shine. New elements are born under this immense heat and pressure. Hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium. Helium is converted to carbon. Carbon transforms into oxygen, and eventually iron is made for the first time. These massive stars live fast and die young, burning quickly and with phenomenal heat. Tap the star to see what happens next. When their fuel is spent, the stars are unable to fight the force of gravity. They collapse and explode as giant supernovas. The heavy elements inside them are thrown deep into space. These elements will lay the foundations for new stars, planets, and eventually life. All of the elements inside our bodies, except hydrogen, were formed in stars. So, in a sense, we are made of stars. Over 9.2 billion years, generations of stars live and die. And then, on the edge of a distant galaxy, something special happens. What you see here is a cloud of dust from the debris of ancient stars contracting to form a new star, our Sun. In the disk surrounding this star, planets form, and our solar system is born. One of these planets is our home. planet Earth. 800 million years later, this hot ball of magma has cooled down and the first life forms appear. But it takes another 3 billion years before evolution gives rise to complex life forms, intelligence, and consciousness. And so, 13.8 billion years after the Big Bang, here we are today. Together, we humans have uncovered so much about the birth and evolution of our universe.